Hi guys, this is where we start our carving, from here. Not when you're shaving, carving, when you're tufting. As you can see, here is some space, here is not, because I will not do the carving here. So we leave some space here, yes, it's half of centimeter. If we will leave it, after when we will carve, we will fill these lines. First, before the shaving, before the carving, use this tool. Second, use this tool to shave the rug. And now let's do the carving. As you can see, here is the protection. We will not cut the tufting cloth. If you will use it like this, not like this, like this. We will use 30 degrees, maybe more. There was a gap between two colors. You will not see the difference now, but you will feel it if you will put the finger there. And it will so easy to feel it with the machine. You will not see the tufting cloth, yeah? It's not scary, it's so fast, it's so easy. If you will go very deep, even in this way you will not see the tufting cloth. That's my experience, that's my secret. So, good luck.
So every time, every part two colors are coming to meet, like this part and this part, that's where you're doing it. This part and this part, that's where you're doing it. This part and this part, that's where you're doing it. The whole point of carving is to make something flat like this become like this. And what we're doing here is we trim out this side and this side until we create a V-shaped valley. How this is achieved is by holding your machine at a 60 degrees angle. If this is 90 degrees, then you need to hold it at an angle like this, then you trim it out. Here we go. You see? Then the thing is, what you do on one side, you have to repeat it on the other side. So when we keep on repeating this process again and again and again, we find that this makes the colors or your project become neat, look neat, and your colors separate to one solid color. So what we've done here is what we are trying to achieve here, okay? What we've done here is what we're trying to achieve here. So how we start with it, how we start doing this is we start with coming in with a pair of scissors or a sharp object. Then you pass it through in between two lines where two lines meet, okay? So you start slowly, but you make sure you go all until the root of the rug. Then you just glide it all till the end. What we are doing here is we are creating the pathway. You see this pathway here, we are creating it so that this machine can have somewhere to be passing, or else everything is just interlocked with each other. Now after you're done with that, you come in with your pair of clippers. I use the Easy Clip pair of clippers. As you can see, it's called Easy Clip pair of clippers. It retails almost at $65 or something, but yeah, so you don't just go all at once. What you do first is you try to create a small pathway for your machine. So you create this by doing like chopping off a little bit.